Hi everybody, welcome to Creating with Love. It's me, Jill. Okay, so I'm going to put it up front. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Your comments help this channel and other channels grow, and if you share, it will keep on growing. Come join my Facebook group, Creating with Love Crafting, and come see us on Instagram. Okay, so the reason I'm on today is my state opened up. It is May 20th. You may see this later on, but we were able, my mother and I, to go to the Goodwill and get a few things, and I got some crafty items. So with no further ado, I'm going to show you my crafty items. Now, I don't like it when they put the price tags right on something I'm going to use, but this was 99 cents. And they're not doing they're not doing their colors, half price colors right now, because they just opened today. So these girls I'm going to use in another junk journal. I used the ones I had before in this junk journal. And we're going to do, alright, I'm doing 4 more right now, and we'll do a flip through when I'm done with all of them, including with this one. Okay, this is a Vogue. This is from, like, envelopes like this. Okay, so I kind of wanted to use the girls, and then I found there were papers inside, and I'll show you one of them. Papers inside, like I never sewed, so I didn't know these things existed. I mean, there's tissue paper in there like this. Okay, where is it? Like this. This was the tissue paper, and I used the tissue paper and then put the girl on top of it for a page. This is the instructions page. So you get, with these, you get a heck of a lot of paper to use. Okay, so inside you'll get the instructions, and they're perfectly sized as well. So you get all the instructions, and I like using these for like separations of space of sections and stuff. And then here you can use these to decoupage on something or whatever, you know, you can use these. But I fussy cut all the girls out, and I use them on separate pages, and that's what I intend on doing with this one. Okay, but not with the next junk journals I'm doing. Maybe not, maybe I will, I don't know. I gotta see if I can get this off. So I'm gonna leave these here. This one I got Vogue's, and I'm not sure, but in the last one I got a tag to that you use to sew into your design, and I just decoupaged it on, and it holds very well with the decoupage. So yeah, it has the same thing, and they're folded at about the same sizes that I use. Okay, so we can use all the numbers and all the illustrations, okay, and all the body measurements and all that. And oh, look, somebody wrote in here, so that is useful too. That is character. So these have character. And here's your, and they're all nicely aged. So, and I don't know what year these are from. These look to be from the 80s, these outfits. Maybe these are too, I'm not sure. But anyways, so we're going to put these right here. And then, so I was going through and I found this. It fell out of the box. So this is a paper trimmer, and I was just thinking I wanted something like that, and it's broken. Okay, so no, it can't be used. If I can fix this, I'll fix it. But for now, it's broken. So I will fix it with the E6000. But I wanted something like this. I should have taken it out of the box. Okay. It was only $1.99. Then I found some graph paper that I can tea dye. And I'm going to tea dye all this paper, which I did tea dye a whole stack of that long paper, the 15-inch paper. I did do a whole stack of it. I didn't do the whole ream of it, but I did a stack of it. So, and that was for 3 hours I did that. So that was hard. So I have more paper for the junk journals. Then I got storage for the papers, and these are nice, guys, and there's 2 of them. So I found 2 of them, and they're called Sheffield Home, and these are paper stores, and these are leather bound, so they're pretty nice. Okay, so we'll show you the front and the inside. They're lined nicely too. Okay, so they look to be like a pair, but I'm going to put all my tea dyed paper in it. I cannot show you because I can't show you right what they are. Maybe I could show you this way. Okay, so no, I can't show you correctly what these are. Let me pull the camera back a little. Okay. All right. So that's what this is. They're paper holders. And guess how much they were? They were 99 cents. So that's upside down. They were 99 cents, guys. Felt something falling here. So I'm going to use these, yes, like I said, for the tea dyed paper. And put on my shelf. I need storage things really badly. I have what I would say a primitive looking, yeah. So this is acrylic. A primitive looking craft room. This is an acrylic dividing thing, and it's bigger than the one that I found in the Dollar Tree. Now, I told you I would show you how I made the one that I made. Alright. But the other one that I bought for my makeup is smaller. Now, this one, remember I said I put these together? With the E6000, they're strongly put together, and they make a 3-drawer bin, and they're holding all of my glues. It was neat, but now that I was tossing them around, they're not neat. So anyways, I found this, and it's acrylic, and usually these acrylic gadgets, this is a hole right here, this is a hole, here's some more places, and here's a place you could put smaller items, and then in here, and it's just an organizer, okay? And I'm kind of happy with this. I'm gonna like maybe switch and put all my pens and pencils and scissors in here, because that pink item that I bought, everything falls over in it. So nothing will really possibly fall over in this one. I'm looking for the right things, guys. Alright, so my daughter and I love to hang our clothes out on the line. And we have the smaller, flimsier clothespins. These are much, much bigger. You see this? These are bigger. and they're sturdier. And I had these when my daughter was younger, and these were 99 cents in the bag. Now come on, guys, holy cow. And there must be a lot of them in here. So this isn't for, it could be for crafty items. I could take a couple out and use them for crafty things, but I'm going to mostly use them for my clothes line. I am disappointed about that thing. Why would you put something out on the shelf that's broken? The paper trimmer. All right, so I have some trim, and I have to cut it open for you to see the trim. I fell in love with it. It was $5, and my mother was like, "Are you sure you're going to buy that?" But I have been looking for trim for a long, long time, and my Goodwill just reorganized. While they were down, they were employing people and reorganizing the store. All right, so I have 2 trims on this one, this ream, and you see this one, okay, they're stuck with pins. So I'm going to stick my hand underneath it so you could see just how pretty it is. This I could put on the bindings of the junk journals or on the edges to make them look more feminine. This is another edging. Isn't this beautiful? It's got pearls in it. So there's plenty on this. Look, there's just plenty. And I am happy with that. Then there's a tan trim. All right, I'm just going to pick up one layer to show you. It's a tan trim, and this could be used on the bindings, or it could be used, you know, and you can even use this on your cards. You can make a tassel out of this. And then here's this trim, which is the one I wanted. And there was a bag of other trims which I wanted to get too, but it was just too much. But look at this. Look at that. I haven't seen much or many trims as I've seen today when I went back to Goodwill that has been closed down for 2 months, and they just got a hoard of stuff in. So that's that one. That's for the junk journaling or card making or whatever. And then, guys, I got, it's a something, no, I didn't pay for this. Oh, that went into that. So I got some stickers. These are 3D embellishments, and these were 99 cents, okay? There were a whole mess of them on the rack, but I did not get them all. This is for school, and just look how cute. Okay, so here is a graduation hat, a little school girl smiley face that says good work. I'm going to turn it this way. Smiley face that says good work, a pencil over here, and then a school lunch bag with an apple and a star. So I figured that'd be cute, you know, to make for, you know, you could make an album for somebody and put this in it for their graduation or whatever. And then I got a small goodie bag for 99 cents of embellishment stickers, and I believe that these are a little older, just by the way the stickers on the back looks. But I can always use glue. So I grabbed this one instead of many of the packages of the other. Okay, so we have a dog training book, Made Easy. So that's a cute little embellishment. And I can make this too. It looks easy to make. So I'm going to turn this over. So we have the cute little cars and the truck and the frog and the, you know, yeah, how to catch the frog and the bug house and, you know, the bug net and whatever this is. I don't know what it is. Somebody can tell me. Then we have, and I believe this one came out of one of these Then we have these cute little stickers. I have never seen these kinds of stickers. They look handmade. I don't know. Then we have a grandma in the little glasses and a ball of yarn with needles sticking out of it and some needlework, and then a little thing. So we can make a grandma album or a grandma card or junk journal. Then we have TV and the remote and little pictures in a wallet. Underwear. Why would you put underwear on this? Shaving cream and soap. I mean, what? Okay. Okay. So we have another one of these, but it has Mom on it. And all the others with the tea and the teacup and the #1 mom and here. So that goes with the grandma thing. Then we have... Okay, so that's where the dog training one came out of. Maybe not, because there's a dog one here. So we have a kitty one. Kitty kibble and a mouse. Stinky, and that's the stinky bowl. And then kitty litter. Oh, how cute is this? Oh, and it has kitty litter in it. Listen to that. That's cute. I can make that. Then we have these stickers, which this should have been in here. Dog Training Made Easy Manual, Bones, and all this stuff. Okay, Good Dog, Doggy Bones, Best Friend, Roscoe, with the feeding dish. So that, my dears, is my Goodwill haul. And I hope you liked it. And read the descriptions below. There's plenty of things to read. And so, Lord, I thank you for bringing all of us through this pandemic. And I thank you for making us stronger than ever, because we stood and we watched you. And your strength is our strength. Your strength is in us. And I thank you for healing those that are sick with the COVID. And I thank you that you will just make things better very, very soon, in the name of Jesus. So guys, if you did like this video, you know what to do. Keep creating with love, guys. Bye.